Profile Tire Center is a retailer in the automotive aftermarket, running 160 outlets in the Benelux and developing its business into new countries like Romania and Poland. The total business that we are running through the franchisees is around 240 million euros.
When I came in Profile Tire Center in 2001, what I faced was 54 different companies joined in as a franchise group. Due to the large number of actual physical sites, it is quite hard to get a one uniform system into place. The use of Microsoft Exapta actually gives us the competitive advantage. Eventually, all of the dealers will be online and will be implemented by Exapta. That gives me one central knowledge base. All of the information on the cars, on the tires, on the products placed on the cars, the maintenance on the cars is in one system, and it's available for my customers. We chose Microsoft Exapta specifically for its scalability. Exapta allows us just to basically add on different servers, new AOS servers, application servers, which allows us to continue the growth that we have and just keep putting on users as we go along. In the automotive business, there is actually a specific need sometimes for information which is not available in a product off the shelf. Microsoft Exapta allows us to quite easily adapt or add needs, fields, or even on a database structure level, and immediately start using it. What actually tipped the scale for us to choose Microsoft Exapta as our leading information system was the state-of-the-art technology and its continuity and adaptability towards the future. My dealers can actually order without leaving Exapta immediately, shoot in an order in the system of my suppliers. What they get back on screen immediately is actually delivery dates, pricing, and invoicing information. So the whole chain has actually been shortened. Instead of faxing and calling for product information, it's right there, basically within Exapta. Microsoft Exapta, Microsoft Office, and all the other Microsoft tools can be plugged in and actually added on quite easily without spending a lot of money on interfacing, on connecting these different systems.
So we have been looking for a system that could both be adaptable and flexible. It has to fit my organization and not the other way around. Exapta is probably the best offer today.
One of the reasons to choose Microsoft Exapta was also the affordability of the system. As we implement the system as one company, it's one system, one uniform system for all of them, we can cut cost on training, for instance, we can cut cost on implementation time. So instead of going through the entire process of implementation, training, we can actually pre-package Microsoft Exapta for my dealers, go in and based on a sort of template, actually roll them out quite fast. Within 2 months of time, I can have a dealer up and running, trained and well on Microsoft Exapta. I know SAP from my earlier professional career. When I saw Exapta, I also saw the possibilities. It was something for the future. It would have been very easy to say, okay, I go with SAP, with an established partner that will help me implement it, and then come up with a budget which is twice or even 3 times the budget that we spend today.
Somebody told me a couple of days ago, you were the one who decided which software package should be in place in your company. Yeah, and you're still there. If you would have selected another package like SAP, I would not be sitting here anymore. So that's more or less already proves that we chose for the right system.